Hey there, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to open YouTube video in a new window. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is a website designed for sharing video. Millions of users around the world have created accounts on the site that allow them to upload videos that anyone can watch. Every minute of every day, more than 35 hours of video is uploaded to YouTube. In order to open YouTube video in a new window, you first have to go to your web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Choose any video you want to open in a new window. Right-click on that video. Click on Open Link in New tab. As you can see, your video is now playing in a new window. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.